How to install the FTP client Filezilla on Windows. Go to the official website of Filezilla. From the download section of the website, download the Filezilla FTP client installer file for your Windows operating system. For instance, if it is Windows 64-bit, go and click on its setup file. Click on the Save File button. Now open the folder containing the downloaded file and double-click on the file to run it. Click on the I agree button, then click on the Next button. Click to check the box for desktop icon of Filezilla and then click on the Next button. Choose the destination folder and then click on the Next button. Now click on the Install button. Now click on the Finish button. That's it, we have successfully installed FTP client Filezilla on Windows. Now you know how to install the FTP client Filezilla on Windows. To know how to access or connect to your FTP account via Filezilla, watch our next tutorial. Thank you for watching.